2001 Chevy S10 V6, I think. Is it a V6? Yeah. 2001 Chevy S10 V6. Really beautiful truck. Really clean. Nice color. What we got done on it, factory, these come with 2 factory converters, believe it. The California edition ones. This one, a smaller one, and then a massive one right after. Then he brought it earlier in the year and we did duals on it, straight pipe, but he just couldn't take the sound no more. It was too loud for him. So we went ahead and put him a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK right there. Part number 10416. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we did, and then the white pipe duals after that, out the back. Custom bent all the way back on each side into 4-inch tips there and there, rolled. As you guys can see, look at that nice Chevy emblem. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and all that good, beautiful stuff you guys do for us. We really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Yeah, it's a lot quieter. Much better. MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK and duals. Here's sound decibels. Again. So it's right at like 94. Compared probably before it was like 110, wasn't it? Again. Not too bad. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy S10 V6. It's only got 65,000 miles on it, guys. That is crazy. Got duals and MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK.